Grab this rare deal sa Lancaster New City. Foreclosed property na pwede mo nang simulan for as low as 50,000 reservation. Kung naghahanap ka ng bahay na malapit sa schools, malls at transport hubs, eto na yun. BDO Foreclosed Margaret Inner Lot. As is where is. Location Lancaster New City, General Trias, Cavite. Lot area 100 square meter. Floor area 74 square meter. May 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath at 1 car garage. Ang starting bidding price, 3,533,720 lang. 10% down payment, 50,000 reservation fee, 90% bank home loan. Perfect sa pamilya na gusto ng mas malaking space sa loob ng isang secured community. Huwag mo palampasin kasi pag naubos na ang slot sa bidding, goodbye na sa chance mo. Note, bank fees at transfer of title not included pero tutulungan ka namin from reservation hanggang ma-approve ang bank loan mo. Mode of payment, PDC, MC, cash or bank home loan. Plus, may free house tour assistance kami at tuturuan ka namin step by step paano sumali sa bidding. Kaya kung ready ka na mag-invest at magkabahay sa isa sa pinaka-in-demand na community sa Cavite, message us now. BDO Foreclosed Margaret Inner Lot. Baka ito na ang susi sa bagong bahay mo.